Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this error message showing up that says you can't use Marketplace right now. Now, for example, you're trying to access Marketplace and you're seeing this one. I'm going to teach you how to fix it, okay? By the way, just a kindly reminder that if you're using your phone, your tablet, your laptop, or any other devices rather than the one I'm using right now, which is a computer or a PC with a Windows OS. That means even your MacBook users out there or iOS, please turn the video because it's literally the same process, okay? Now with this one, open up your favorite browser and then head on to Facebook. If you're using your phone, open the Facebook app, same goes to your tablet, and click on Marketplace just to check if it's working or still not working on your end, okay? Now if you're still not seeing any items available for sale, that means it's still not working. The thing you want to do is of course head on to settings, click this one right there, okay? Or click on your profile section. Once you click on profile photo right there, settings and privacy, help and support, display accessibility should show up. Now, once you click on settings privacy, you'll arrive on this platform right here, which is before they have the option to call customer service. Now this is not what we want right now because they changed it. We're gonna need to click on help and support. Now report the problem right there, help us improve Facebook, or tell them something was wrong. Now tell them something was wrong, include in the report, choose an area, just look for Marketplace. Now tell them what's happening here. Suddenly, Marketplace isn't accessible on my end. Basically, just type anything that explains your scenario, your situation to them, and let them fix it for 1 to 2 3s, okay? After this one, include the screenshot with the error message earlier and click on submit. After doing that, they're gonna evaluate it for I think 1 to 3 business days and they're gonna get back to you with the Marketplace available already, okay? Now thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.